An earthquake measuring 7.5 on the Richter scale has hit Nepal and several parts of northern India. The tremors were even felt on the western coast of Gujarat and Maharashtra, as people, even in Mumbai, felt the aftershocks. People felt the tremors even in New Delhi, Surat, etc. Nepal, being the epicenter, was badly hit, and images of several collapsed buildings, cracked roads, damaged highways, etc. have started surfacing. A lot of other property has been damaged in Nepal, but so far there are no news of any reported casualties. Latest news suggests that there was another earthquake which has hit the subcontinent. People have started stepping out of their houses and offices out of fear and are seen running helter-skelter.